How to turn off parental controls on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Now, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for screen time. Tap on it. Here, scroll down again and you will see the option for content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for content and privacy restrictions. And just in case if you have screen time password, then you might need to enable your screen time password. Else, once you toggle off the content and privacy restrictions from your iPhone, the parental controls will be disabled. So, this was about how you can turn off parental controls on your iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.